I'd like to thank Klarpul for reaching out to do this review. And today I'm reviewing this cordless vacuum. The Klarpul KL-003 is the model. I've been using it around the house and I'm honestly really impressed with it. It comes with 2 batteries, which is super nice, and they charge in about 2 to 2.5 hours. On the lowest setting, it runs up to 65 minutes. The medium setting is around 30 minutes, and on the highest setting, it's about 16 minutes. One thing I really like is the LED headlights. They make it so much easier to see dirt and dust, especially in darker areas. It's also self-standing, which I appreciate, and it comes with a wall mount if you want to store it that way. The suction is really strong and it definitely picks up a lot of dust. It did really great on our carpet, rugs, and laminate flooring, so it feels very versatile for everyday cleaning. Overall, it's been really easy to use and has worked really well for our home. If you're interested in checking out this vacuum, I have both links listed below in the description box. You can shop directly on their website using my code KL00JJ15 to get 15% off 2 of their models. And if you prefer Amazon, I also have a 15% off Amazon code for you, and the code is 74LHZZM9, and it's valid from December 21st, 2025 at 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time through January 21st, 2026, 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks again, Klarpul, for reaching out.